Welcome to a new and urgent weather forecast on Major Hurricane Ian. As of Wednesday morning, Hurricane Ian is on the brink of becoming an extremely powerful and dangerous Category 5 storm just off the coast of Florida, with a landfall expected on the southwest Florida coastline later in the day on Wednesday. Let's begin this update by looking at the latest projected path and information of the storm. Hurricane Ian was located just off the coast of Cape Coral, Florida, with a movement to the north-northeast at 9 miles per hour. Sustained winds were at 155 miles per hour, with gusts to 190 miles per hour, with a minimum central pressure of 937 millibars. The latest forecast track shows Ian moving onshore around Cape Coral, Florida on Wednesday. The center of Ian will then cross over the Florida peninsula between Wednesday afternoon into Thursday afternoon, before re-emerging over water by Friday. Ian will then make another landfall as a tropical storm near Savannah, Georgia before moving inland through the weekend. For the next portion of the video, let's talk about the threats that Ian will bring to Florida mainly on Wednesday. Firstly, the Storm Prediction Center has issued Tornado Watch number 546, effective until 5 p.m. Eastern Time. The main hazards state that several tornadoes will be likely within the Tornado Watch area. As Hurricane Ian continues to approach the west coast of Florida, a strong eastern peripheral wind field and a very moist air mass will support the potential for supercells and a related tornado risk. This tornado potential will initially be focused across the southern peninsula early today, but is likely to further increase and spread northward into the central Florida peninsula by late morning and afternoon. Another significant threat with Hurricane Ian today will be flash flooding. An extremely rare high risk of flash flooding has been issued by the Weather Prediction Center for parts of the central Florida peninsula as widespread life-threatening and catastrophic flooding spread inland during the day in association with Hurricane Ian. The corridor of heaviest rain still looks to be across the central portion of the peninsula, given a combination of a broader shield of rainfall developing ahead of the hurricane itself and a period where the forward speed begins to slow down. A prolonged period of very heavy rain with rainfall rates likely exceeding 3 inches per hour at times is expected, especially in the high-risk area, which will likely result in at least a foot of rain. Before we conclude today's update, let's take a look at the storm surge map. When Hurricane Ian makes landfall, extreme storm surge will be possible in places in the red and especially pink shades, where up to 16 feet of inundation will be possible. Storm surge of this magnitude is certainly capable of causing severe beach erosion and significant damages to coastal homes and businesses. And that concludes this forecast. For more information on Hurricane Ian in the coming days, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell.